Welcome back to another video guys. Today we are going to talk about sound setting, and today I'm going to tell about guys how to on touch sound in geophone next. Guys, how can you on touch sound in geophone next? So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. Now let's start video friends. First of all, what will you have to do? Open your setting app, then guys click on sound and advance. After that guys, you can see touch sound. You want to on, guys, then on. So as you can see touch sound. So I think friends, you have understood how to on touch sound in geophone next guys. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic, but before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.